Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. In today's video, I am going to get ready, reorganize the pantry, and create an elegant yet very inexpensive and easy do-it-yourself tulip spring wreath. Stay tuned. This fall, I had some allergy testing done, and basically I'm allergic to everything in my area that blooms this time of year and in the fall as well. So I was offered the choice of taking shots or suffering through. The shots I was going to have to give to myself, and that kind of scared me. So I decided that I would just try to suffer through this. So I have lots of swelling. I've had migraines. It's just been crazy. So I'm continuing to struggle through, and so, it's really hard even to, if I feel like filming a video, sometimes I get a migraine and I can't edit the video. Anyway, it's just crazy. So I'm just going to kind of show you my morning makeup routine. The first thing that I start with is, lately my skin has been dry, so I'm using this Mary Kay foundation primer. So I'm just going to put that on first. It's clear, and it just goes on, and it helps my skin to feel smooth, and it helps the makeup to apply. Okay, so once I have that on, I am using this Mary Kay yellow under eye corrector like crazy, because it seems to be one of the only things working under my eyes. I'm not sure if you can tell or not. I have like swollen bags, and sometimes it looks like someone has beat me. So, which they haven't, but I'm just like squeezing it like directly on because that's how bad it is. So yeah, I kind of look like this. Like I'm gonna go play football. And I just kind of try to blend it in. I kind of pat it because, it's my eyes, and I know it looks yellow now, but trust me, it is necessary. So this is a huge extra step I'm having to do. And once I put on foundation, this is gonna even out. I know it looks a little weird right now. Then I'm just going with a matte foundation by Mary Kay as well. And this is beige 6, which is a little too light, but I'm out of my beige 7. Because under my eyes are so bad, I am going to now apply some under eye corrector, Mary Kay as well. It's more of a pink tone, and I'm going to put this on top of my foundation. So my dark circles are somewhat disappearing. I don't think it's possible for me to completely get rid of them, but they are disappearing. Okay, so this is so far. Okay, now what I want to do is I'm going to take the shade right here and I'm going to do just a little bit of contouring. Not a lot. I'm just kind of learning how to do this, so I'm just going to do the 3 and the 3 on this side, and that's as far as I've gotten with contouring. And then I'm just going to take a little bit of blush. I think I'm going to use Shy Blush, and I'm going to use the same brush. And I'm just going to put some color on the sides of my cheek. There we go. Next step is to move to my eyes. I have an eyeshadow brush and I am going to use this yellow, this golden color, and I'm going to apply it all over my eyelid. So, just like that. And I'm going to apply some of this plum color. There we go. So that's done. Now I just want to do my eyeliner. Black liquid pencil eyeliner from Mary Kay as well. Okay, so I have this. Now I just want to do some mascara. So I am using the Lash Intensity in black as well. Now I'm going to line my lips with a nude lip liner. So I've lined my lips. So I think I will just use this one. It's called Fancy Nancy. And my makeup is done. Now I just need to fix my hair and find some clothes to put on. Before I get dressed, I'm just going to finish making up my bed quickly. It is rainy today and cold, and I just need to make my bed in order to be productive. I know that's weird, but it just works for me. Let me know in the comments if you feel more productive when you make your bed up, or if it's just me that feels that way. And after I did that, I got dressed, and here is the outfit that I chose. For today's outfit, I am planning on hanging out around the house. I have some editing to do. I have a video that I might work on. So I am just going for total comfort. I am wearing this baggy shirt from the brand Lucky. I have on Holy jeans from, and by Holy I mean they have holes in them, Holy jeans from American Eagle, and Michael Kors gray slip-on shoes. So I'm comfortable and I'm ready to have a productive day.
I decided to reorganize my pantry.
Okay, so I'm going to take everything out of the pantry, so here it goes. I recently decided to replace all of my containers with Dollar Tree containers. This is the first time I've used Dollar Tree containers, so I'm pretty excited to see how my small pantry turns out. So I just took everything out, and there's the nice finished product. Wardrobe change, I got cold. After I emptied the pantry, I took time to organize the bins that I found at the Dollar Tree and find a way that I thought they would work best for our family. I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? 'Cause I gotta say you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. So this is kind of how the pantry turned out. We do not keep a ton of food in our house, but at the top I just have cooking oils, that kind of thing. I have disposable tableware in this one. This one is like where I keep pasta and rice. This one is a snack bin, but it has all keto-friendly snacks in it. I have my straws. And then down here I have a place for chips and a place for snacks that have carbs in them. I have some sugar back there. I have my canned goods, and here I have like breakfast type items. I wanted a wreath to hang as you walk in the door. All the wreaths were so expensive, so I decided to make one. I bought this willow wreath from Dollar Tree and the ribbon from Dollar Tree as well. I used a little leftover greenery just to add some greenery to it, and then I purchased 6 tulip bunches from Michael's, and they were 50 cents each, so I spent a total of $3 on the tulips, and I just put them in there. I did use hot glue after I decided where I wanted all the tulips to go. I did not record that though, because the one time that I tried to record myself using something electrical, I almost burned my house down, so I decided to do that afterwards. I liked how the tulips just stuck down in there. They were easy to place, and I had enough so that you could not see the wreath under it, which was my goal. Baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. 'Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with a bedroom door locked. I like how you feeling as a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances and I'm living for a ride. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of. So this is the final product. Remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you in the next one.